Hello, I'm the artist Halie French. Happy Fluid Art Friday. Today's acrylic pour is one in a series of 4 called Galaxy Spill. I really hope you enjoyed the video. And if you like my art, please visit my website, haliefrenchartwork.com. Thank you so much and stay safe. Hello again. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button. Check out my next video with that button. And don't forget to like and share. And I hope you have a great day and stay safe. Thank you.